Hello. In this video, I'm going to be going over the two main ways to import your center's data into LogPose. The first is a manual data upload option, and the second is an automatic Excel upload. Let's start with manual. There's three fields that you need to go through: students, parents, and tutors. The way we have it set up, a student cannot be created without an associated parent. This is clear when you click Add Student. There's two options: find existing parent in the system, or create a new parent. For ease of access, let's just use one of the parents that we've already set up, Arjun. The next step, the only required field is the student's name. For this, let's just put Arjun Jr. We can skip all of this, but the grade, birthday are self-explanatory, and the learning needs are based on the classifications page, which I'm assuming you've either, at this stage, set up or are choosing not to use for your center. There's also space to add additional notes for that specific student, like a bio. The next step is completely optional. It's the recurring schedule creation. We've created a separate guide for this, so we'll skip it for now. The preview shows you the existing parent that is associated with the student, their email, and also the new student that you're creating. Clicking Create Student will successfully populate this in your database and then present you with four options: adding another student from here, viewing Arjun Jr.'s profile, scheduling his sessions, or inviting the parent to have their own portal if they don't have one set up already. For now, let's skip all of that and go straight to parents. This is redundant, but in case you just wanted to add a parent without a student associated with them, you would put in their name and email. Phone number is optional, and then set their notification preferences, which they can change if they have a portal. Finally, adding a tutor is quite similar to adding a student. The only thing that's required is their name. You can add information about them along with contact info, but it's totally optional for now. Add some notes, and then the learning needs for students correspond to qualifications for tutors. This informs how we automatically match students and tutors. And finally, you can optionally set their working hours, which is when they are regularly free every week. This obviously can change, and you would change it by accessing a tutor's profile. Clicking Create Tutor adds them to the list, and as you can see, we can't invite them to a tutor portal because they haven't given us an email yet. The second option is the Import Data feature. So to do that, navigate to this tab, and you'll see an option to download an Excel template. I've already done this, so I'll just be showing you the template itself. There's four tabs here. The first is tutors, then parents, students, and working hours, which correspond to the tutors. Each tab is optional in itself, but if you do choose to fill one out, the columns marked with an asterisk are required. So that's name for tutors, name and email for parents, and then for students, to link each student row to a parent, you'd also have to fill out name and their parent email. The working hours, all columns are required, but again, the entire thing is optional. There are some instructions in this fifth tab to show you how to set this up, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You would go through and manually fill in each row for tutors, parents, and students. Once you're done, save your Excel sheet and go back to this Import Data screen. All that you need to do then is click on Drop Your Files or Drag and Drop. It'll navigate you to your file selector for your computer, and you can simply select the Excel file and upload it. After that, you'll be greeted with a preview screen, which shows you all the new students, parents, and tutors that are going to be created, and then confirm it. It's automatic data upload in one click. I think it's especially useful if your center has more than 50 students and more than, let's say, 20 tutors. And that's how you upload your center's data to LogPose. I hope this was easy and clear. See you in the next one.